Hello, YouTubers! It's the helping hand here. Isn't that right?
Wait, what?
Is it the helping hand? Or what?
Yes. No, it's not. It's the big fat tutor. That's our email.
Oh, I forgot.
Failed horribly, dude.
No. So, we are giving you a tutorial on Unity. I'm just looking around here.
Yes, he's looking around with the right click button. It's that button on the right of your click. That's why it's called the right click button.
Oh yeah, and here I want to show you guys one thing. How you guys have, do you guys have a 4-split? Oh god, that is horrible.
Oh, whoa, what the heck?
I don't not like that. So, YouTubers, so we here are making a video for you guys because we think it's necessary. What do you think?
No, it's not. It's totally not necessary.
Why not, Bobby? Huh? Tell me, why not?
Because it's not. My gut tells me it's not necessary.
Okay, whatever. So here is how we're gonna do this. So this is the first tutorial. This is how you just build random stuff. Sorry about this. Sorry about that. So basically, you don't need the main camera. You could just use that for the game. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna add a terrain. And as you guys know, a terrain is something you stand on. I hope you guys know that, right? Right, John?
Well, actually,
What?
terrain. Hold on, I'm gonna search it up.
Yeah, if you could see on the game view, this is what we're gonna see. Little terrain. And this is, you just move the camera with these.
No, terrain is specifically a tract of land, especially as considered with reference to its natural features, military advantages, etc.
Shut up! Okay. So, god
Geology.
damn it. Okay. So this is what you're supposed to do. So if you could do anything basically. So this right here is where you could just move around, like scroll around, look everywhere.
You don't even need the main camera.
I know, I'm just saying. This is the beginning, John. Come on. And this is just how you move around. This, when you press that and you press on an object, just move it around. It's basically the controls. And this is how you rotate it. So I'm basically rotating a camera, it's looking straight down. Yeah. And the last one is where you can enlarge something, but I don't think you can enlarge the camera. Because, you know, it's like a camera, you know. So, yeah.
Yeah, it's like a camera. You don't need it. Go delete it.
Exactly. That's what I was going to say. We don't need the camera, so let's not have it.
Unless you're creating third-person stuff.
Yes. And what you want to do...
Right now, we're just going to like teach you how to build like a simple...
terrain.
Just walking around and stuff.
Yeah, so the way to walk around is you go to Assets, and you go to Import Package. And from here, you'll see something called Character Controller. You press on that, and you import all of this random stuff. It doesn't download stuff, it just, like, imports it to the game. Or to
oh, it doesn't download stuff? Oh, it downloads stuff.
What? Oh, yeah, it does download stuff, doesn't it? And the thing is you have to kind of adjust this. Damn it!
If it doesn't download stuff, it totally downloads stuff. Like crazy. Like,
this is all you need to do.
it's gonna make your computer 13 times slower.
Damn, fuck. God, hold on, give us a minute. Give a minute. Sorry about this, YouTuber.
Your computer's horrible.
No, it's not. I'm sorry, that was a mistake. So here is now standard assets. It's going to be in assets once you import it. So to view the whole thing is you would go like this. Press the bottom thing, bottom thing, bottom thing. What the hell? Actually, you don't need to do that. Just press on character controls.
Yeah.
Shut up!
You have to press the bottom thing.
You can either choose from third person to first person. I honestly, I love the first person.
He honestly, loves the third person.
Shut up.
The first person. It's much.
Yeah. So when I play this first person controller allows me to just walk and move.
Oh yeah, and you walk around with WASD. You jump with spacebar.
And you can use the arrow keys, which I'm using right now.
And those play pause, and I don't know what the heck that triangle and Y.
And you can jump with space.
That basically starts up the game.
Yeah. So just the only problem about this is I don't like is how there's no sprinting or crouching.
Yes, there is.
No, there's no. When you add a script into it, that's the only way. So this is how you move and everything. So when we unpause it, the guy should start out somewhere else. Yeah, over there.
Press the pause button.
What? Okay. Okay, so
that's just kidding.
So he's right here now. What you are going to do, if you want to build something, this is what you do. You go to Game Object, Create Other, and you look at all of these stuff. You can create a cube, a sphere, a capsule, cylinder, or plane. I'm just going to make a cube. What's it? Oh, I'm in the cube. So here's the cube. So if you were to pull this, it would extend by the x-axis. If you were to do this, it would extend by the z-axis. If you were to do this, it would go by the
y-axis. What?
And if you were to hold the middle, this would be the omega axis, because it extends the whole thing in every single direction. So that's all I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna make a little platform. Make a little platform, and oh yeah, and also to make this easier for you guys. That's
not a little platform. That's like a huge platform.
Shut up. This is another thing you can do. To make it easier to build, you make a directional light. Oh god, that's okay. And you turn the intensity down, but to like 0.2. Yeah, 0.2.
What?
Makes it a lot easier to you, or for you. And here's the little platform.
Fail.
Where is it? Okay.
It's not a cube anymore.
So now there's a roof above us. Just to say. Now you'll see the roof. Hey, a roof! Let's jump on it. Whee, whee. I can't reach it. So this is just how you do it. Oh yeah, and another thing is if you want to maximize, you just see this thing that says maximize on play. Just press that. Then press play, and it will go on the full screen.
I never knew that.
Oh, okay.
You should have told me that earlier.
I'm sorry, sir.
I
God.
keep playing on a small screen.
Oh yes.
Gosh.
And another thing is if you guys want to add a texture into anything, then this is what you're gonna do. If you're gonna get a picture from anywhere, like you're just gonna get a picture, like from Google Images, and as you can see, is I have one right here of a grass texture.
And a cheeseburger.
Really? No I'm kidding. So you would drag this into Unity.
Got a cheeseburger.
And bring it. Shut up. Okay, you would import it inside the assets. So as you see, it's importing, and you press assets, and then you'll find it right there. Now, if you want to make this floor green, you would go to the paintbrush right here in the middle of the terrain. Press the terrain, find its paintbrush, and you would find edit textures. You would press edit textures and say add a texture, of course. And any of these you could choose, doesn't matter. I choose texture, doesn't matter. And you'll show the texture that you have. You double click this and you say add it, and the whole thing will be green. And yeah, so that's how you do that. And you can also bring this and you can put it on another block too. So I'm just going to import another picture here. So yellow picture. Yeah, just put on there. That's the cube right there, and we're gonna get on there. So that's how you make a simple map. Now, if you guys want to know how to make your terrain bigger, I have no idea what you're doing, Jonathan.
What?
What are you doing?
I'm not doing anything.
Oh God.
What are you talking about?
Okay.
Gosh.
So if you guys want to make like a simple mountain or something like that, all you need to do is just here. You can change the brush size too over here.
You can make star mountains.
You're right, like that.
Dude,
Oh,
get
God.
the star mountain.
Oh yeah,
Dude,
it's when you make a mistake like that horrible mistake I just
oh my
did.
gosh.
You know how you get rid of it? You hold down shift while like holding down the clicking. So you don't need to keep you don't need to go like that like how John does. You don't have to keep clicking. You could just hold it.
No
and
one
move
notices.
around. No, all you need to do is hold it and hold shift or.
It's
like
basically like 3D painting. That's how awesome it is.
Yep, and that's
Dude,
how you build simple
get the star
terrain.
mountain. Oh yeah, and then the brushes. That's the template you want to use. Dude, no, that's the wrong star. Get the actual dude. There's a star right there.
Oh, there.
Oh my gosh. Ah! Dude, that's a horrible star.
There, I did it. Did it work? It worked!
No, just don't.
See, you can't do it better than I can.
Just don't.
Okay, so as you can see, I'm just gonna add some mountains around here. Just some simple wall for the map.
Whoa.
Okay, let me just. Oh yeah, and also, if something's too high and you don't want it that high, but you don't want to delete a lot of the stuff, all you need to do is you'll find the terrain, like this little mountain thing with a little, what's it called? A little raindrop, and it smooths out the texture. See, it's smoothing out the whole texture, which I clearly didn't want to happen. Oh no!
Oh my gosh, dude.
Oh my god!
Whoa. Whoa.
What is happening?
Dude. What are you doing?
It doesn't matter. See, there's a map. See, there's a little map, and that looks very nasty. Let me just, yeah. Oh, there it is.
I told you, if you put the cheeseburger as the terrain, then it'll look very delicious. You should have listened to me in the first place, dude.
Okay, here we go. So this is where the guy is. Now you said, no, this is too plain. I don't like it at all. It's really, really, really bad. Like there's no sky or anything. Well,
Put a cheeseburger.
Shut up. So there's this thing that comes with Unity when you download it. It gives you assets. So go to import package, and you'll see something called skyboxes.
And for the time being, make the sky a cheeseburger.
You gotta shut up, you know? Like, you're starting to make me cry, bro. Like, that's
oh yeah,
sad.
you gotta open down.
Oh god! Okay, so skybox is gonna be here. Open it up, textures, and here we go. Just press on any of these that you'd like. Or actually, just go to skyboxes and you'll see it here. When you see that, you go to the first person controller and you press this arrow next to it, and it'll show up this. Press on main camera, and you'll go like this. Go to component, and look for rendering. Find rendering, and say skybox. And it should show up on your main camera right down here. You press this little circle right next to here. Press it, and it will show up all these. These are all your different skies. And the sky of my favorite is probably the moonshine. But for you guys, I'm going to put maybe sunny one. So now when I play... That's
what I chose. That's my favorite.
When I play, there is a sky for a map.
And if you want your land to look more delicious, put a cheeseburger. It makes everything much better.
Yeah, it does. You're right. I can make it! No!
No.
Yes.
No.
I'm gonna make it, John! Yes.
Oh.
Okay. So there's this guy, and nobody's gonna see this part. Don't worry.
No.
And yeah, so that's
Fall
how
off
you
the
add a
map.
simple.
What happens when you fall off?
Then you will die.
Oh.
No, you won't die. You'll just fall off. But still.
Oh.
So this is a simple thing, and you say, "Oh my God, this is annoying. There's still something missing." And another thing to do is you could go like this. You could go to place trees. That is a really good thing, which I think is awesome. We're gonna place
There's
trees.
also a place zombies button to make your map even more exciting.
No. So
That was a joke.
Oh,
There's no
alright.
place zombies button.
Shut up. So you'll see this tree thing. But first, the first thing you have to do is go to Assets, import another package, and look for Tree Creator. And once you find
Tree
that,
Creator.
yes, you like doors. I mean doors, door. You're door, sir.
Or
Door.
tor.
Yeah. And yeah, so this is just a simple tutorial again. I'm just gonna show you
Jake,
very simple.
make the tree a cheeseburger.
Fine.
Do you know how to do that?
No. Oh yeah. Okay. And the thing that would be important is the big tree. You say add, and make your brush size a lot smaller. So
Can you have a small tree?
there's gonna be big trees, but there's a little
Whoa!
problem.
Oh my gosh!
There's one little problem that is like an error with Unity. The trees, you are able to walk through the trees. So the terrain trees are used for scenery. Oh my God, there's a lot
Watch,
of
I
trees.
gotta figure out how to bump into trees. Like, right about now.
No, it's impossible.
Okay, watch.
It's an error. You have to make a tree yourself in
Yeah.
Blender. Doesn't no. So yeah, that's how you make trees. And let's see if I can get to this. So you would also go to Assets if you want to add some more stuff. Where is this? There. You would go to Terrain Assets, and I think they would have everything. Yeah, they have grass and everything. So you go to Import, and it would allow you to import.
Whoa! Whoa!
You go to Terrain stuff and Terrain Grass, and basically, yeah. Now, you are able to add grass. So, but the thing you have to do is go to Paint Details, Edit Details, and you would go to Grass Texture, add Grass Texture. So once you import the terrain assets,
You run
so
into the tree.
you would go over here with the circle and the line and stuff, and you would go
Dude,
to
this is scary as poop.
okay. You will find the grass. Where is it? I can't find it. There, grass. You would find the grass, and you would add it. So, and see, very, very good. So now I just added grass everywhere. So now you guys are officially having a nice, good map. Oh yes, and you say, God, I wish I still want to add some more stuff. Well, that's too bad. Okay.
Just watch the next tutorial, and we'll probably figure out how to run into trees by then.
Probably. Thank you for watching, YouTubers. Peace out. See you later.
Did it end?